Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2019 Lexus RX350. Oh, by the way, I did the oil life reset in a 2007 Lexus RX350. I'm gonna put the link up here so you can take a look at it. Alright, so, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Alright, okay, let's get to it. This is the 2019 Lexus RX350. When you start your car, you see that message. So all you're gonna do is press this button. It's gonna go back. It's gonna take you here, and just scroll to the right. Until you see the gear. Okay. Then go vehicle settings. Press this one to enter. Then go to oil maintenance. Says reset data. Yes. Scroll up. The data has been reset. Or it tells you right there, push the button, this one, to reset the oil maintenance data. You see, there's two ways to reset this thing. Alright. And if you want to go back to the menu, just press this one, the back button. Scroll to the right or left. And that's it. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2019 Lexus RX350. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, 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 the feedback, comments, any questions, anything you need to say, please put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. Alright? It was a stool. Holla at your boy. Now, hey, okay.